Does adding a canopy actually make a difference, or is it just a fancy storage box? We're putting this MITS alloy canopy to the test to see if it's really worth the investment. I'm Dean Bleasner, the co-founder of Big Dog Builds. With over 500 American trucks come through the workshop, we are the most awarded American truck company in Australia. If you're always running out of space, then stick around, because let's face it, more storage means more adventure. Let's go check it out. Starting at the front end, of course, the 2024 Chevys, they just look amazing from the outside. Going at an off-road creative front bar, this one with the color-coded finish, the satin black hoop, 3 Baja LP9 Sport LED lights on the front there, gonna give you the distance required as well as a combination lens. Then you got the steady lights inside the bar as well. They're gonna flood out nicely to the sides as well. 15K carbon off-road tank winch is one of the most popular ones that we're using at the moment. This one here, we do extend the plug-in. If you do need to plug in the remote control, we put that up in an easy location under the engine bay. Simply turn the isolator on, use the wireless winch remote control if required, and that one's gonna get you out of a pickle, but most of the time, let's face it, you're gonna go and rescue someone else. If you're full-time touring or getting away for those extended trips, something like this definitely may be worth it. We've gone and installed a BDS 3-inch suspension kit. This with the Fox 2.5 remote-reservoir adjustable shocks give you both low-speed and high-speed adjustability. Every single BDS kit that comes through the workshop also gets the BDS upper control arms. That's going to allow for the full cycle of suspension in full use. We've also installed the 707 method bead grip wheel. The technology in these bead grip wheels means you can go lower in pressures into the single digits, even with a heavy truck like this one here. It's going to get you off the beach if you're stuck. With the bead grip technology, as you can see, a little bit of a different style to Method's trademark lip bolts. This one here looks amazing on the 8-lug fitment. It's quite a new wheel from Method. It's definitely one of my favorites in the Chevy platforms. We've gone and wrapped them with the 35, 12.5, 18 Nitto Ridge Grappler. Ridge Grappler on this combination gives you the massive 128Q load rating. So for the NB2 vehicles with the maximum GVM upgrades, this wheel and tyre combination is going to be one of the best for your ride. We'll pop up top the Big Dog Builds accessory rack. Every Chevy build deserves a Big Dog Builds accessory rack. This one here is our V1 platform that utilises the steady curved light bar up on top, steady side lights. It's a good spot for your GME XRS combo. This one here, the 680mm antenna. Simply fold that one up when you need it. The benefit with these ones as well, having those side lights, the front lights, all switch through the Switch Pro, allows you to do it from a phone app. The front light bars also switch through the high beam trigger to keep it nice and legal. And then you can put things like solar panels, max tracks, shovels up on top as well. If you're rolling into camp at night time, having a rack like this one here, being able to flood out the sides with a good amount of light and then dim them down through the Switch Pro while at camp gives you the best of both worlds. You can search for the campsite and then you're not going to be too bright while you're using the vehicle, lighting up the ground for those nighttime beers. If your passenger has had a couple roadies on the way to camp, definitely install a set of Amp Research side steps. This one here is the Smart Series. These ones are controlled through an app. We rewire the steps as well to control, so only the left-hand doors will open up the left-hand step, only the right-hand doors will open up the right-hand step. If you don't have your lights on the roof rack, having LED courtesy lights underneath there is going to keep you from tripping and getting in and out of the vehicle. To keep those beers cold, of course, the under-seat battery setup from Big Dog Builds. We've got the massive 200 amp DCS lithium battery, 2000 watt Enerdrive inverter. We've got the Enerdrive DC-DC charger. This has got solar input. You've got 12 volt outputs. We've got the Anderson plug that we put in the back here if you're wanting to run a little fridge. Or for this setup, we're using this entire under-seat battery setup to run the full canopy power. Of course, with the MITS on the back, we'll get into that in a second, and I'll show you why an under-seat battery setup combined with the canopy setup may be the best option for you. This is a MITS alloy canopy combination. The benefit with the MITS alloy is you can remove the canopy off the back, utilize the full tray space, and for something like the Big Dog Builds under-seat battery setup, if you're wanting to take the canopy off the back and get the full use of the full tray. Look how big this thing is, it's massive. I reckon 3 or 4 motorbikes would easily fit across the back there. If you're popping something like an Angle or Dometic just on the headboard, we can still utilize the under-seat battery setup. You've got your Anderson plugs there. Don't forget you've got the 240 volt setup under that rear seat as well. So you can still run the hairdryer, the induction cooker, power those fridges full time. And if you're wanting to go into full-time travel or on those longer extended trips, simply pop on the canopy like this one here. We'll get inside and I'll show you around this one. It's nice and basic. Got the awning mounts up on top, ready for an awning. Mitts alloy, good looking canopy. A nice texture black finish with the color-coded doors definitely is pretty impressive. This one here, like I said, quite a basic setup. You got your upright fridge there. Of course, you got your tunes. Got a couple drawers in there as well. This table extends all the way out from the vehicle. That's a massive, good, usable workspace. So running something like this on the weekends or those extended trips, taking the canopy off if you're needing to use a work truck daily, this one here may be the ultimate setup for that work and play. Don't forget the pantry as well. That one there is going to store all of your spices. This one here, it's quite spicy for me. See all of this? This is weight saving right here. As we talk about in every video, weight is definitely one big consideration to always think about. Something like this one here, we've got the massive 58-28 kilo GVM. When you've only got a half canopy like this one, the spare wheel on the back, even though you've got all the room in the world, once you fill that room, you're going to get more and more weight on the vehicle. And when you put a decent trailer on the back, that ball weight added to the GVM of the vehicle, you need all of the kilograms you can get. Big trundle drawer at the back. We've got the Jenny Hitch combo on the rear. This one here has got the 5-hole adjustable positions. You've got your 50-70 reversible ball on there. We can also do the AT tongue, which is for your DO 35 and 45 pins. And the benefit with the torsion hitch on the back is going to take out that bounce from the drawbar on the trailer. You want to still get your trailer dialed in nicely with the weight distribution in it as well. The perfect amount of ball weight, the well set up vehicle with your suspension, your wheels, your tires, your airbags in the rear, the leaf spring reset like this one to get it up to the 58-28 kilo GVM. Going to mean that you've got the best of both worlds between awesome amount of tow ball capacity for a decent trailer up to 4.5 ton off this, and you can still carry all of the toys on board as well. This side here, of course, we talk about weight. Imagine if this thing was full, how many kilograms would be inside here. But for this one, it's a bit of a work in progress. There's still plenty of room there to throw whatever gear you want in there. The versatility with the Mitts alloy canopies, obviously being modular, you can add drawers, you can add fridges, you can add all sorts of stuff to this big void here. Having it nice and simple like this is definitely the way to go. Keeping it nice and lightweight. This vehicle's got close to 2 ton of payload. So with the canopy on here, the extra long range fuel tank underneath, the heavy van on the back, you can load this one up and still have plenty of kilograms left. Link in the description below to our website, guys. Fill out the contact us form. I'm keen to see you in a build like this one. If you like this build, guys, check this video out here. If you want to see these things on the beach as well, this one here is one for you.